Ever pondered the art of crafting the perfect pasta dinner at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we delve into the magic of creating a sumptuous, mouth-watering pasta dish that will send your taste buds on a tantalizing journey. Start by choosing your pasta. Whether you're into spaghetti, penne, or fusilli, remember that the pasta is the canvas upon which you'll paint your culinary masterpiece. Next, consider the sauce. A classic tomato-based marinara, a creamy Alfredo, or a zesty pesto, the sauce dictates the soul of your dish. For a marinara, simmer finely chopped onions and garlic until they become translucent. Then, add crushed tomatoes, a splash of red wine, and season with salt, pepper, and herbs like basil and oregano. For an Alfredo, melt butter, stir in heavy cream, and mix in Parmesan until the sauce thickens. Now onto the pasta. Boil water in a large pot, add a generous pinch of salt, then cook your pasta of choice until it's al dente. Remember, the pasta continues to cook even after you drain it, so aim for a firm bite. While the pasta cooks, let's not forget the protein. Maybe you fancy pan-seared chicken or perhaps succulent prawns? Whichever you choose, ensure it's cooked to perfection before adding it to the sauce. Once the pasta is ready, drain it well. Then mix it into your sauce, ensuring each strand or piece is coated generously. Add the cooked protein, toss everything together, and let it all mingle for a couple of minutes. And there you have it, a perfect pasta dinner right in your own kitchen. To recap, start with your pasta of choice. Create a sauce that sings to you. Cook your pasta to an al dente perfection, prepare your protein, and then combine everything for a symphony of flavors. Remember, great cooking is all about balance. The pasta, the sauce, and the protein should all harmonize, with each element shining but none overpowering the others. So go ahead, don your apron, and let the magic of pasta making begin. Bon appetit!